Hello and welcome, and it is the final day of March, crypto day 31st. My name is Derek, and welcome. Everything you do within your own risk, own reward. Let's take a look at CRW. Not that big of volume, but having an interesting day, but interesting last few minutes. As the price action after going down throughout February into March, maybe now the band's going to start to flatten out. It attempted to do so back in the midpoint of March. Not quite successful, of course. But let's take a look at the 1 minute time frame. This is just incredible. This, it really, really is. Ooh, wow. So how did this work out? Well, I got notified that I got a buy order fill, first of all. And then, well, let me just show you the statistics with the timestamps. And yesterday, on March the 30th, at 9:36 a.m., I sold 9 and change of them at the price point of 18,500. I woke up very early this morning, 5 o'clock, and I thought, okay, let's just check out, see how the markets are doing. Normally I'm always sleeping at this time, and I slept another couple hours after doing such, but this was down enough where I said, you know what, I can put a buy in at 17.2. So at the time frame of 5:00:20 seconds, that was market order, taking the price. I was happy enough with it, so I took the ask price. And we can see here that at 5:00:52 seconds, or 32 seconds later, I put my buy order in to buy 8.75 of them at 16,002 Satoshi. It took me 17 seconds plus 8, 25 seconds to put my next order in, a sell order, almost 19,000. I sold 10.34. So at 11:36 a.m. today, just recently, I get the notification, buy order. Okay, let's go to CRW. And I'm already on the page 30 seconds later at 11:37 and 20 seconds. And I get the notification, you just sold some. I'm like, okay, what's going on? That's just sweet. So after that, I quickly rush in. This is 11:37:20. So it took me 47 seconds to decide and calculate what my buy order would be. 15,112 at 17.7, and it got filled 3 minutes and 40 seconds later, a little less than. And I'm trying to get, and at that time when this is going on, I'm trying to get a small sale at the 19,000 level. And I get more buy. I'm thinking, oh, that's sweet, and I'm curious, okay, what's going on? So then I was able to put a much larger, decent size sell number in at 19,375. That's where I stand last, 19,375. So therefore, I see a nice little symmetrical or whatever type of triangular nice formation in place. 10 minutes don't do me much good. Does the hour do me much good? It's back to its previous area. We'll see. Right now I'm looking at support at 17,894. Let me just quickly pause my tape. I do have my buy order in at 16,002 right now. If it goes down, that's where my buy. My sell order is in at a little under 21,000. So roughly up to about here. And then when do I decide that this thing is going to have big volatility and that I want to play for more tremendous gains? Basically getting above here, I'm probably not going to want to sell much at the high 21.8s to 22.5, but just place these orders in like this. It works very well, as we can see within this example. And this is all, again, trying to outperform these markets, thus the net result to get Bitcoins. And the way I look at buying stuff like physical silver or using cryptocurrencies as money, it's almost like this as a trader. I want to get paid. So if I want to get paid via silver, I can get paid via silver. And I want to make a video on silver soon, mainly the cross against the Canadian dollar. I'm not too sure how the other cryptocurrencies show. Look at this microscopic volatility on the daily. I guess two prints might be the same day, but what I really focus on is the monthly chart. Like, this is just incredible, statistically speaking. The month of March, high 21.73, low $20.82. Difference about 90 cents. That's 4% and change. Month of February, high 21.38, low 20.45. The difference, again, less than that of $1. You're looking at about 90 something cents, about 4%. The month of January, the low, $90 or $20.93, a high at 21.75. That's a difference of about 83 cents, a little over 4%, 3 months in a row. Last month of December, the low, 2013, the high, 21.42. The difference there is $1.30. At least there you can say it's about 6%, but let's just look at some of these normal days. And before 2015, the low 19.20, the high 21.44. Difference of 2.20, that's a little over 10%. Then you got this green candle on January of 2015 with the low at 18.20 and a high at 23. The difference there was like $4.80 or 20+%. Even back in here, like this low volatile session here back in 2012, low 27.15, high 28.77. Differential there is $1.60, which still works out to 6%. So microscopic volatility is decently larger in July of 2012 as it was from before. So this is just interesting how I have seen and trying to figure out and determine how this is all playing through. I'm seeing a symmetrical triangle because I can easily make a downtrend over the last 8 periods, and I can easily make an uptrend over the last 8 periods. And then from those 8 periods, I can easily make a downtrend from July of 2016 to now, and I can make an uptrend from December of 2014 to now. So this is a very interesting neutral. Got to break out and have something huge come into form. But until then, turning cryptos into silver, it's $21 and change for me, and I pretty much has been in that area for quite some time. Thank you for tuning in, and have yourself a great day. Bye-bye.